Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm gonna show you or tell you a couple of ways that you can get free candy blossom in Roblox's Grow a Garden. So the first way is simply using the code. You can directly enter Caitlin-candy-bootsam. So the spelling goes like CAITLYN-CANDY-BOOTSAM in your codes menu and apply the code and see if it works for you. Second method is by craft shreds. So you're gonna have to simply feed 25 plants to the angry plants and simply take the shroud and 50 golden eggs to the candy stall. And lastly, you can trick the server. So for that, you're gonna have to join older or maybe an unupdated servers where the old events shop is still active. And likewise, guys, these are the ways that you can try. Some might work for others, some might not, but go ahead and try it for yourself. Thank you for watching.